In this video, we are going to discuss that some important models in the integration ncert level. These questions are very useful for all the competitive exams. So first, integration of sin square x, integration of cos square x, similarly integration of sin cube x and integration of cos cube x, and like that. See how to find these model problems. First, you have to be understand that one formula. We know that we know that here sin square x 1 plus cos 2x 1 plus cos 2x value, this one will be equals to what? 2 into cos square x, this formula. And next one is that 1 minus cos 2x, this formula will be equals to 2 into sin square x, 2 into sin square x. By using these formulas, you first eliminate that power of the given trigonometric function. So we'll do the first question solution. So integration of sin square x, you can write that 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2 into dx. Okay, so after this one, now you simplify that value, that is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into integration of 1 into dx minus integration of cos 2x into dx, cos 2x into dx. So you know what is that integration of 1 into dx? That value will be equals to x. So 1 by 2 into this value is that x minus integration of cos 2x will be equals to sin 2x whole divided by 2. Sin 2x whole divided by 2 plus c. So integration of sin square x will be equals to 1 by 2 into x minus sin 2x whole divided by 2. And similarly, the next question will be that integration of cos square x. So now by using that this formula, cos square x, you can write that that is equals to integration of 1 plus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x whole divided by 2 into dx. So now 1 by 2 you write that outside, 1 by 2 into integration of 1 into dx, 1 into dx plus 1 by 2 into integration of cos 2x into dx. Okay, so now integrate this value. 1 by 2 you take that a common, 1 by 2 into integration of 1 into dx will be that x plus cos 2x value will be equals to, what is that value? Sin 2x whole divided by 2. So this answer will be equals to sin 2x whole divided by 2 plus c. So this is that integration of cos square x. I hope that this model is very clear to all of you. Next, in the same model, you have to do that one more questions. That is that next one is that integration of sin cube x, integration of sin cube x into dx. See what I taught that in the previous two questions, when power is there, sin square and cos square, first you think how to remove that power from the given trigonometric function. By using the formulas 1 plus cos 2x and 1 minus cos 2x, you can remove that cos square. You can write that 1 plus cos 2x, and sin square is the 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. And similarly, so how to remove that here that sin cube x, how can we remove that cube? See, we know that one formula in that trigonometry, that will be equals to that sine of 3x. Sine 3x value, 3 sin x minus 3 into sin x minus 4 into sin cube x. 4 into sin cube x. Now from this minus 4 sin cube x you get this side, and after you dividing with the 4 you can write that as sin cube x is equals to 1 by 4 into 3 sin x minus sin 3x. 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Now substitute this value in that given integral. So here if you substitute this one, that is equals to 1 by 4 into integration of 3 into sin x into dx or minus sin 3x into dx. Sin 3x into dx. So now you tell me that what is that integration of sin x? Integration of sin x will be equals to minus cos x. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into this value will be minus 3 into cos x. Okay, and the next one is that sin 3x integration will be minus cos 3x whole divided by 3. Minus into minus is that what? Plus. This value will be that cos 3x whole divided by 3. So plus c. This is that integration of sin cube x. Similarly, now you can do that sin integration of sin cos cube x, integration of cos cube x into dx. So you know in the trigonometry what is that? That's a cos 3x formula. You know cos 3x formula will be 4 into cos cube x. This one is that 4 into cos cube x minus 3 into cos x. So here this one is minus 3 cos x, you get the other side and divided with the 4. You can write this value will be nothing but 1 by 4 into integration of cos 3x plus 3 into cos x into dx. So here that cos cube x can be modified as this one. So after that, what is that integration of cos 3x? That is the sin 3x by 3. So 1 by 4 into this value is that a sin 3x whole divided by sin 3x whole divided by 3. Okay, plus this value is that a 3 into sin x. 3 into sin x plus c. So this is that integration of cos cube x. And similarly, you see one more problem. Integration of sin x whole to the power of 4. Sin x whole to the power of 4. How can we remove that power 4? So here this one we can write that is equals to integration of sin square x whole square. You can write this value. You know already very first question in this one will be how can we remove that how can we modify that sin square x? This one we can write that 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. You can replace that sin square x is this one whole square, okay, into dx. So now after this one 1 by 4 you write that outside. So 1 by 4 into integration of 1 minus cos 2x whole square. So this expression will be in the form of a minus b whole square. What is that a minus b whole square? This value will be 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into integration of this value will be nothing but a minus b whole square, a square minus 2 into ab, that is the 2 into cos 2x plus b square. B square will be that what? Cos square 2x. Cos square 2x. Okay, into dx. Again we are having that square is there in this one. So by using again that same formula, now 1 by 4 into integration of 1 minus 2 into cos 2x. You know what is that a cos square x? Cos square x you can write that a 1 plus cos 2x by 2. But in place of that x we have that 2x is there. You can write that 1 plus cos of 4x whole divided by 2. So into dx. Now you simplify this value. Here is that 1 plus this one we can write that 1 by 4 into integration of 1 plus 1 by 2 is that a 3 by 2. Okay, minus 2 into cos 2x. Okay, plus 1 by 2 into cos 4x. 1 by 2 into cos 4x. Now by observing this one, so here that no term is having that powers more than 1. So here this one you can do that integration. What is that integration of this value? 1 by 4 into integration of 3 by 2 into dx. 3 by 2 into dx. Okay, minus here is that 2 by 4 into integration of cos 2x into dx and plus 1 by 8 into integration of cos 4x into dx. So now what is that integration of this first term will be that 3 by 8 into integration of dx is that x minus 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 into integration of cos 2x will be sin 2x whole divided by 2. Sin 2x whole divided by 2 plus 1 by 8 into integration of cos 4x will be sin 4x whole divided by 4 plus a c. So now again by calculating this one, you can get that final result. So this is that one of the most important model. So similarly, you can find out that one more question, integration of cos x whole to the power of 4 into dx, you can proceed in the same model. So I hope that everyone will try this question. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.